Hello and welcome to the channel. Today we are bringing you a hot melting collection of crochet baby girl dresses perfect for your little princess. Each piece is handmade, full of love and designed to add extra cuteness to your baby's wardrobe. So stay with us for the next few minutes and enjoy these beautiful cozy styles. Crochet dresses are not just beautiful, they are soft, breathable and gentle on baby skin. They are perfect for newborns, toddlers and even 1 to 2-year-old girls, whether it's a birthday party, a family event or baby photo shoot, or just a casual day out. These dresses and a charming touch. These dresses add a charming touch, and the best part, each dress is unique, just like your baby girl. You will see sleeveless frocks, cap sleeves, and even long sleeves winter styles, all with delicate patterns and perfect finishing. Some dresses come with matching handbands, while others have cute frills, ribbons, flowers, or button details. Roof tassels, colors like peach pink, sky blue, lavender, and mint green are very popular. They give a soft and graceful feel, and for festive or formal occasions, you will also see bold shades like deep red, royal blue, or gold trimmed white. Each design is made con comfort and style, something every mom looks for. These dresses are more than outfits, they are piece of art. Every stitch is done with care, making each frock one of a kind. If you are a crochet lovers, these patterns can give you fresh ideas for your next project, and if you are looking for a gift for a baby shower, first birthday or new arrival, crochet baby dresses are always a thoughtful and memorable choice. They are timeless, reusable and full of handmade charm. Which designs did you love the most? Let us know in the comments. We had loved to hear your thoughts. And if you want to see more cute collections like this, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we will see you next time with more adorable ideas for your little ones.